Auto liability is the bulk of your insurance cost. If you look at your policy, typically 65 to 75% of your costs are just from auto liability. Auto liability is going to cover you or your drivers on your policy for any damages they cause to structures, people, or other vehicles. Typically on your policy, you're going to see $1 million worth of auto liability coverage. Now, FMCSA is only going to require $750,000. Some brokers every once in a while are going to require $2 million, but typically you're just going to need that $1 million worth of auto liability coverage. Now, within auto liability is bodily injury and uninsured motorist. Bodily injury is kind of what we were talking about there. Uninsured motorist would be covering you in the event that you get in an accident, it's the other person's fault, or they ran away and they don't have insurance. That's what uninsured motorist is going to cover. Now, on your policy, you're going to see likely one of two: medical payments or personal injury protection. Medical payments is going to pay for you or any passengers in your vehicle for initial health costs before health insurance kicks in. Personal injury protection is above that. It's typically better than that. It may not be available in every state that you're in. Now, auto liability is the bulk of your insurance cost. If you look at your policy, typically 65 to 75% of your costs are just from auto liability. It is a huge part of your overall insurance cost, and it's important to be able to look through there, understand your coverage, and understand why your policy is so high. And typically that's just because you driving down the road is an enormous liability because you are driving a very big vehicle.